For posture correction in a seated position, we're going to use the same principles that we use when we were standing. One is that we do get our feet and knees nice and hip width apart. You don't need to be all the way into the back of the chair. More often than not, we try to fit ourselves all the way into the back of the chair to the actual backing of the chair, and we find people just end up like this anyway. So, get into a chair. You want your hips a little bit higher than your knees, because if your hips are below your knees, it's like when you're in a bucket seat and you'll end up in a kyphotic posture. You want to get your feet underneath your knees, hips a little bit higher than your knees. You want to think of that pelvic tilt that we talked about in our standing posture video. You want to think about moving forward, back, find your center. Even weight on both sides of those pelvic bones, those sit bones underneath our butt, and trying to find even weight on both sides. And then we want to elongate. We want to pull up. Sternum, belly button, chin all in one line, shoulder blades back and relaxed. And this is good conscious posture. You use this again to correct yourself. So throughout the day you're setting a timer, giving a reminder for yourself in some way, maybe even a little sticker on your computer screen to remind you to reset your posture. Conscious posture is all about that effort to change your habit. Remember, this is not something you're expected to hold forever. You have to tune back in and refix it. So now, in this conscious posture, remember, let's show you from the side. The side, hips are a little bit higher than the knees. Feet are underneath the knees. Feet and knees are nice and hip width apart. We're thinking about our pelvic tilts, forward, backward, anterior, posterior, neutral, pulling up, belly button, sternum, chin, shoulder blades back, relaxed. And this is good conscious posture. If you're looking at a computer screen is here, and your keyboard is here. So having these two separated from each other are key. You have a laptop, put the laptop up here, get a wireless keyboard, and your mouse should be down here. This way we're not doing this, we're trying to reach forward for the things we need to type on the computer. So this is good conscious posture.